This is the unboxing and review of Zebronics Joy wired mouse. So let's get started. This is the box that the mouse comes with and all the information is written on it. Opening up the box, you get a mouse and you won't find any other paperwork. The mouse only comes in black color and it is designed very well. The mouse fits my hand perfectly with the rest for my thumb. It's comfortable to use and it's ergonomic. It has a transparent scrolling wheel which lets the red light pass through it and it gives a gaming vibe. Bottom side of the mouse holds the sensor and nothing else. Connecting to the laptop is easy, it's literally plug and play. Windows installs the drivers right away, you plug it in. The mouse is responsive and button clicks are tactile. The scroll wheel feels a bit tight but it works really well. Overall, the build quality of the mouse feels sturdy and it's lightweight. I definitely recommend buying this mouse for your laptop use. For a price of Rs.170, you won't find a better mouse in this price range. That wraps up this review. For more videos like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Hope you like this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one.